Hey, what's up? And this is the all new but 2 weeks old phone, the OnePlus 8T. Couple of months ago I unboxed the 8 Pro and that seems pretty interesting because of that 120Hz Quad HD Plus display. OnePlus had launched the OnePlus 8 with the 8 Pro also, which is not so useful now anymore, and in this video we will find out why. So in the box packaging, just some massive paperwork with SIM ejector tool and OnePlus stickers. And yeah, you might like that. Yeah, come on, everyone like these brand stickers, in fact me too. We get a silicon case which is gonna be replaced with a third party case in the future, and this, which is pretty weird, both sides USB Type-C. I can assume that it's due to that super fast 65-watt charging, or maybe OnePlus is trying to follow a Pixel devices trend. I agree, it's great, but if you don't have a data transfer cable or no USB Type-C port in your PC or laptop, then you need to buy a separate cable for that. And this color, I really loved it so much, this lunar silver color, and it's not that glossy like other old colors, but it's more on the matte side. But it's not completely matte, as it gets fingerprint but very less. Again, it feels very premium in hand with the side rails too. And yeah, we will get to the physical overview in a bit, but before that, let's hit the power button. The screen is flat, so no accidental touches like the curved devices of OnePlus, which was the issue I faced personally in my OnePlus 7 Pro. No doubt regarding the performance, the Snapdragon 865, 12GB RAM, 120Hz display, but not Quad HD. It's 1080p, but still colors are vibrant, sharp, vivid and shiny. It is the latest Android 11 and top of it Oxygen OS, which is close to stock, which is my personal favorite of all the time. Light and sassy. The one thing I will discuss something very important about the device in the end, but before that, let's take the physical overview. As I said, I like the color of this device, and due to this, every other color is totally failed in front of it for me. Maybe you have some different taste, but it's my personal favorite, the lunar silver. Just take a look at this. The camera cutout is pretty weird, but that doesn't bother me so much. It has the same camera compartment as a OnePlus 8 Pro, though the design is different, but the sensors are same. But they have removed that color filter camera from this, as it was also disabled in the Pro version 2. Same camera setup which can take amazing photos, but has some improvements in dynamic range, HDR, nightscape and the portrait video. It's really great. You can see the blurry background while recording the video. So technology is making its progress in terms of AI and machine learning, and it turns out really solid in camera and other minor features too. Front camera is great, but OnePlus should upgrade it from this old 16 megapixel sensor which OnePlus is using from very long time. Again, full HD, HDR10 Plus certified, 6.55 inch, 120Hz, the amazing display. And if this display bothers you so much, then you can go for the 8 Pro for the higher resolution, the Quad HD. But in small screens like this, that will not bother you so much. Every other thing like power button, alert slider, bottom portion is same but perfectly fine. The USB Type-C dual SIM slot, and bonus is that it is a 5G phone. You understand that future-proof thing? But yeah, need to wait for a couple of years for the 5G to come out. Now my verdict is that it's a great phone. No doubt you should have if you were confused about 7T Pro or 8. This device you can get at almost same price for 43,000, and for 46,000 if you really want to bump up your RAM and storage. Now, if you want that Quad HD Plus display, as I said earlier, and if you care about the Snapdragon 865 Plus, as this one has 865, because OnePlus wants to compensate the price with the spec somewhere, so they did this. But if your phone even have the Snapdragon 855 or 845, then there should be no problem at all in performance. You can run stuff like gaming easily without any issues. But 5G in new modems of this processor, so yeah, you can't get that on 855 or below. So again, my answer is, if these things bother you so much, then go for the 8 Pro for the Quad HD and the Plus variant of the processor. But if you're really happy with the Full HD and the Snapdragon 865, then go for this 8T. This is also 15,000 rupees cheaper, and plus point is that you're getting the fastest 65-watt charging. So yeah, think once again more about it. And you can buy this product from the link given in the description box. So you can buy from the Amazon or the OnePlus store from wherever you want. So just check out the description box. So there we have this 8T, and thank you for staying tuned up to the end and smash the like and subscribe button if you find this video useful or awesome. I will catch you guys later.